required A is given, A is residual of 1, say RE is residual of R1, RE is residual of R2, and RC is residual of R3. So where E is given, say then just let it the residual of E. So R1 is left out, and R1 divided by denominator and others to resistance. So here B is there, so we need to write down the B. So R1 plus R3 and just R2 is divided because this is residual of this and others resistance, that is R1 plus R3. Here also RC is residual of R3, so left of the R3 we are getting R1 plus R2 and R3 is just denominator R3 and other solution that is RC is left, so R1 plus R2. That is the formula and it's a long process. So just remember it. Then we will go for the solution. I will give you three questions and it was asked in gate also. Then I will
ঠিক আছে।
solve it. So guys, this is for this class time is over and please join within 2 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, please join within 2 to 5 minutes.
5 মিনিট বলো। হলো 35 মিনিট হয়েছে।
2 minute হচ্ছে।
আরেকটা আমি অর্ডার দিয়েছি আমার নিজের জন্য। এই যে বেশি না, ওই 1500 টাকা। Okay, a very good morning. We will start
Good
our
morning,
session.
sir.
Yes, good morning. So we will start our session within 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So in the previous lecture, we will discuss. So in the previous lecture, we will discuss about the transmission line protections. Okay. So in the transmission line protection, we are discussing about the four things. That means four different kind of relay we
Good
will.
morning.
Good morning. So we will discuss about the four different relay. One that means the principal operation of a overcurrent relay. That thing I already discussed in the previous lecture. Okay. So then we have come to the principle of directional overcurrent relay, and after that, the principle of a distance protections, and last one is my the principle of a differential protections, right? So in that case, we will share my screen so that you will able to understand what is actually uh, about the principal operation of a directional overcurrent relay, right? So we will share my screen so that you will able to understand.
very easily because this is a gate question. And if you need 2001 gate question, star delta, then you can understand.
This my screen is visible to everyone. Yes, is my screen is visible to everyone? I think.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So
Question number, question number one.
so in the previous lecture, we will discuss what are the different fault that will appeared in the transmission line. Okay, due to some reason. Okay. So what are the fault types? Fault types are the single line to ground fault, line to line fault, three phase fault, and the triple line to ground fault. Okay. So these are the three different fault we will see in the transmission line. Apart from this four fault, we have another such kind of fault that will appear during the operation, during the transmission, right? So to overcome this such kind of fault, we have some protection schemes that we develop for the transmission line protections. One is overcurrent protections, okay, directional overcurrent protections, distance protections, and the differential protections. Another protection schemes that will develop is pilot protections. Okay, that pilot protections, that is option D. Okay, so the pilot protection is also termed as a differential protections, which will be deals with the voltages. Okay, and the differential protections, which will be deals with the line current protection, that will be under the section E. Okay, so
start
that pilot protection that will divide it
why
into the two
connections
different
are
segments.
best
One is DCB, the differential
currently
compensation blocking protections, and the POTT, that means the permissive overreach transfer trip
gains.
protections. So these are the two different protections that will be under the pilot protections, okay, which will be also be known as a voltage differential protections, right? And the number E that will be
What?
the differential protections
That is
also, which will
currently
be deals with the line current,
gate
right? So these are the different protection
2001.
schemes to overcome all
Okay.
those
Each
faults, right?
branch of a data circuit
So
is usually
we need to
routed
now understand
when
the
each
overcurrent
branch of the
protections. Okay, so
equivalent
already I will told
start
you the
circuit
overcurrent
has a
protections
delay
really how
of one.
using a radial distribution system how would I overcome the overcurrent protection schemes. That thing we will also already discuss in the previous lecture. Okay, so today we will
So
discuss the
please take in
directional
the
overcurrent
solution.
protections. What is
What will
actually
be your answer?
we have done in the directional
What
overcurrent
will be your
protections. Okay,
answer?
so I
You
will
solve it
stop
because
my
in your
screen
general
so
class
that you will able
and
to see the
competitive
another
exam,
screen.
but
Okay.
we have to also focus on this gate type of question so that you can realize your preparation.
Yes.
Just what will you answer? Anyone can answer?
Yes. So, in such a cases, overcurrent protection.
Anyone can answer? Do it in your copy. Otherwise, you can understand. Sorry.
So, in case of an overcurrent protection,
So use root 3 by
okay. So, in this
root
case,
3 by no root 3 not
so
root 3.
already we have a
Actually,
discussion in
answer
the
is
previous
coming
lecture
something
that
is this. Okay.
so the overcurrent
So we
protection
have to solve it.
schemes, how could I read
Thank you
these
for
things?
your
What is actually
participation.
the overcurrent protections is? So that thing we will already be
Thank you.
discussed in the previous
And
lecture.
very nice you have
Okay, so we will
performed.
again redraw
Just
the
start to build the
radial
converter.
distribution system so
So
that you
again
will
we
able
will
to
start.
understand
Where
what
given
we will
data, we
see
need
in the
to start.
overcurrent
So
protection
let us
schemes,
start conversion.
right? So we will draw one
This
single
is start.
uh,
Sorry, this is gate.
supply. Okay, so we need to connect with the bus bars. Okay, and we need to connect one sections over here. We need to connect the another section over here, and we need to connect another section over here,
Okay.
right?
So
So
gate
also we have to
root
connect
3,
to relays over
gate
here
root 3,
in this particular
that is
end
gate root
and
3.
in this
Okay.
particular end, right?
Start to build the
Okay,
conversion. Say this is
so
R1, R2,
this is my single
this is
source.
RB.
Okay, with the
So I am
in
giving
case
the
of
wrong location.
a radial, one second, I have a connection problem. Okay,
RE, RB, RC. Okay, all are same. Now in the case
one
of
second,
start
I have
connection,
a problem with this. One second, I have a issues in my print. So,
that is
yes, I have to share my screen.
or you can
Yes,
just change it. You can
so
put
the
it one
overcurrent
PPA, whatever you have. Okay. So just remember
overcurrent
the formula.
protection.
What is the we need
For the
this.
overcurrent
So
protections,
this
we need to
if
we have
this is
only the
required,
single
so we have to
line
write
of
this one.
system having a radial distribution, right? In this particular end, we have a section. In this particular section, we have another section.
Now,
and in this
each one
particular
is,
section we have another
just
section,
remember,
and we have to
each
connect
one, so we have to write
one
opposite
circuit
resistance.
breaker over
R1 is
here,
there,
one relay over
so we
here, and
have to
another
write the
relay over
opposite
here.
means RA
Okay,
multiplication.
so in this
RA
case we have a
multiplication.
single line,
And
single source
suppose
distribution
R1 is
system,
there, so
which will be
Z
deals with a
is resistant because
single
R1 is resistant of
source
RA. So we have to take
distribution,
this A and you have to put others.
single source
Resistance. So
distribution
RT and
system,
RC. Okay. Just
right?
remember that is
Because we are
R1
only
is representative
considering
of
the
RA,
single source
R2
over
is
here,
representative
okay,
of R2,
where
and
we are
RC and
having
R2
a
is
to relay we
representative of
have to connect,
RC.
that is
So
R1,
if R1 is
and that
there, we
is
have to
my
put
R2,
opposite ratio
right?
B and C.
And we
Just
have
put
a
opposite
some
and
fault that will
divided
be
by
located
RA, RB, RC.
under this segment. So suppose this will be my F1 fault, and this will be my F2 fault that will appear. Okay, and this is obviously a radial distribution system. Okay,
So
it's a
R1 is RC
radial
first of
distribution,
J into root 3 into
radial distribution system.
root 3
Okay,
into J.
so another distribution system we will see,
Okay.
because already what the radial distribution system is, that thing you already know in
Divided
the power
by
system. Okay,
this
one
C
and the power system
is
two. So another distribution system which will be also be known as
plus
a Ringman distribution system, right?
root 3
Ringman
into J.
distribution,
So it is coming, here it is coming
the Ringman
2
distribution system,
J
right?
square.
So these are the two
Okay, so
different
root 3 into
system.
2J square.
Okay, so
Here
for the
we have to
overcurrent
write
protection schemes, we need only considering the radial
here
distribution system, which are having a
1
two
to
relay
3.
which will be
So it is
connected
coming
across a one
3J
single
and root 3.
sources. Okay,
So
so
it is
what I actually
obvious
told in the
that
previous
these
lecture,
three, these
that
two
in the case
is
of
parallel.
relay one,
And here
in
is
the
J
case of
square
relay
by
1,
J
okay,
into root 3.
so although
So J
it will
and
be
this
the
out.
fault
So
f1,
it is coming J by
fault
root 3.
f1 and f2,
That is the answer.
that should be the downstream
Okay.
fault.
I think
Okay, so that should
then
be the
if anyone has
downstream
any
fault,
confusion, then please ask me.
right, for the relay r1.
If
Okay,
anyone has
so
any
for the relay
confusion,
R1,
please ask
F1
me.
and F2, that can be visible. Okay, so that
Otherwise, I
particular
am going
relay
for the
that will
second problem.
sense. Okay, suppose this
Very
will be, we are
interesting. You see,
considering
this type of question is coming
the
in the
region of
just
a,
one way.
so this will be
So,
considered as a region, this will be considered as
see this.
B region, and
Sometimes
this
the
will be
question
considered
is
as a
very
C region.
tricky
Okay,
question.
so we have divided
Using this
the
formula, just
zone.
you have to
Okay, so
remember this
suppose
formula,
we
just put it
have a
and it
AB
will
zone.
do.
Okay, we have a zone of
Then
a
answer for the
BC
second
zone,
problem.
right?
Yes, yes.
So these are the two
Yes,
different
yes.
kind of zone of protection we need to consider. So in the zone of A and B, so that means this particular zone, that
I'm
in
taking
between A and
anti-clockwise,
B.
but you may take
Okay,
in
so we
clockwise,
have
whatever
a
will be
fault
no
that will
problem.
be detected. This will be
Just
F1.
remember that
Okay,
is
and the zone
R2
of B and
is
C, we
representative
have
of
another
one
fault that
to
will be
one.
detected is a
Okay,
F2.
I
Okay, so
take
both
it
the
as
fault
a
that will be visible
anti-clockwise.
by the relay
This
R1
in this way,
because of the
anti-clockwise.
downstream fault of a
Okay,
R1.
not
Okay, so whatever the
yes.
current, the
Same
faulty
it,
current
same it.
for the due to
Same
the this
R1
particular fault,
is
which will be called
whatever
as
you
a
write,
IF1.
trick
Okay,
is
as well
there.
as the
R1 is
IF2,
representative
that
of
will be,
RA,
so suppose
R2
the
is
faulty current,
representative of
okay,
RB,
I of
and
F1,
R3 is
okay,
representative
and
of
this will be
RC.
the faulty current, that
So
will be the I of
same you
F2.
can write
Okay, so
in
these
this
are the
way
two
or in this
faults.
way, whatever you
Okay,
want.
that we will
Same
be,
we
that will be
are going
passes
for
through
in
the
this direction.
cities of
So this
R1.
is
Okay, so
RA,
here we have to connect one
then
cities over here
in
with
this
the relay.
direction.
Okay,
So that
so
is
all those
R2.
current in the section of A to
So
C,
in this
okay, in this
direction,
region A to C, whatever the fault
so
that
that
will be
is
appeared in
RC.
this
Here
particular
also
distribution
same
system,
direction.
that will
You
be
have
seen by
to
the, that will be
draw
visible by
this.
the R1,
Look, in
as because
anti-clockwise
all
direction,
those faulty
we
current
start from
and the
here. So
fault,
this is
that will be
R1,
downstream
then
fault
it is
of a
coming
R1,
R2,
right?
then it is
But
coming R3, then
in the
it is
case of
coming. So
R2, what I will
the
see,
direction is
what we
same.
will see, that
Direction is same. Okay, just
F2,
here.
in case
So
of an R2,
whenever you can
only the
understand
F2 is
R1 is
a
representative
downstream
of
fault.
RA. Representative means same place.
It's
It is
a
applied
downstream
to
fault.
like same but not
Okay,
equal.
but
Listen.
F1 is not a downstream
Okay.
fault.
Then
It's
what to do?
a upstream
Find out
fault.
this formula.
Okay,
If
Okay, so the relay will be only sends the downstream fault, not the upstream fault. Okay, so depending upon the what the fault behavior is, right? So that is actually one drawback of this particular overcurrent relay protections, right? So if any such kind of fault that will appear in this section, so this particular fault that will be not been seen by this R1 and as well as other R2 then for that cases what we will do. Okay, so for that cases we have to implementing the directional overcurrent relay, which will be implementing in the Ringman distribution system, right? So in that case, F2 that will be seen, F2 that will be seen by the R2, right? So I of F2, okay, so I of F2 that will be passed through the R2, okay, that will be passed this I of F2 that will be passed through the R2, not the R1, as because the IF2 which will be not been visible to R1. Okay, so depending upon the selectivity of a particular fault, okay, we have to decide which type of relay that will sense. Okay, and depending upon the relay PSM, okay, what will be the plug setting multiplier of a each and every relay. Depending upon that, they will select which type of fault that will under which zone, and it will detect that particular fault, and it will be goes respond to the circuit breaker, and circuit breaker will be acting accordingly. Okay, so this is actually the overcurrent protections under the radial distribution system having a single sources. Okay, having a only the single sources. Okay, that means the fault that will appear in this directions only. Okay, fault will be appeared in this directions also. Whenever the system will be there must have some fault. Okay, whenever any such kind of system will be there, so there must have some faults. Okay, so if I will connect the another system over here, so for that cases any such kind of fault that will be appeared in this directions also. Okay, so for that cases what will happen, so that thing we will discuss in the directional overcurrent rule, right? So in both the direction we are having a fault. Okay, so in the previous overcurrent protections, that means the non-directional overcurrent protections, we have only the single directions fault that will be appeared because we are considering only the single sources. Okay, so if I will connect the another source over here, so what is actually going on in the feeder. Okay, so that thing we will discuss. Okay, so is there any question? Ziaul, is there any question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So in that case, we will again go to the directional overcurrent protections. Okay, so that is actually the drawback of a non-directional overcurrent protections. Right now, we have to consider the second protection schemes, which will be also be known as a directional overcurrent protection. Directional overcurrent protection. First, I have to draw, then I will told you. Okay. First, I have draw. Okay, then I will told you. So don't try to one R3. So we have to put 1 and R2. C is not there. Because C is similar to C. So this C is divided by 3. Which one is left? Is written over here. Here, just we put these two. So R1 plus R2. So this formula is long, but if you go for the cheating method, then easily you can remember this. Okay. So guys, I am going for the next problem. Example 2. Consider consider the connection
network figure. Figure the registers between terminal A and terminal B is C open is 6 open. It is 6 open between terminal and C with A open is 11 open and between C and A, C and A with B open is 9 open. Then what is RA, RB and RC? Okay, so you can see this is a this is a A,
Yes.
this is B, this is C. So what happens? It is given that is RA, that is RB, that is RC. Okay, so it is given uh, resistance A and B, resistance A and B, that is 6 ohm, that is 6 ohm. Resistance, the terminal between B and C means this resistance, this total resistance, it is given what it is given as a 11, and this A and C, that is 9 ohm. So what will be the individual resistance? Just find it out. Let's do it. Just try to do it, then I will go for the next question. That is also coming in 2001 page, electrical 2001. So what we will do? Anyone please, I just want to know what will you want to do? This two terminal resistance is given, this two terminal resistance is given, these two terminal equivalent resistance is given. Now
So on this side.
they asked ABC. Yes, yes, R1. Actually, you can understand, you please read it out. This is a gate question. So there must be some tricky things. Consider the star connection. Anyone want to say? Then I will go for the solution. Anyone want to say? Are you going to do? नो। ये तो डेल्टा कनेक्शन में दिया हुआ है, बट स्टार कनेक्शन में क्या मांग रहा है वो हमको चाहिए। ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे मांग रहा है। Guys, just read it out. Consider the star connection network shown in the figure. The resistance between the terminal A and B with C open means no existence of this C terminal. Okay, just
Okay,
read
so
it
is
out.
my screen is visible to everyone?
Between this terminal
Yes, sir.
B and
Yes.
Okay,
A
okay,
is
fine, fine.
open. Between this
So,
terminal C and A is
what is actually I'm drawing over here?
open. But
So,
whenever
here in
it
this
is delta,
particular
just
figure,
solve
you will
it.
see that
That
we are
what is
considering
start between start to
uh,
delta? Is there anyone
we are
this one
considering the
was
two different
available?
system which will be connected
Other
at the both
terminal
end
was
of the
open?
feeder,
No.
right? So this will be my
Whenever you
number
go
one
for the
system that will be connected in this
problem
feeder,
of
this side feeder,
finding out,
and the number two,
just
the
keep
another
it like
system,
we never
okay, or
told
another source
that
that will be
C is
connected
open, A
in
is
this
open, B
particular
is
feeder.
open.
Okay, so we are
It looks
considering the two
ugly.
feeders,
Say,
two
look,
system
this is
having
your
a
circuit.
feeders, and we are connecting the two relay over here, R1 and
So
R2.
this looks like
Okay, and
a
also
star
there must
connection.
have some fault that will be
Okay.
appeared in this
Or
particular zone, in the
it
BC
may
zone,
be
and in the another
this
fault
is
that will be
delta
appeared
connection.
in this particular segment,
This
which will be under
this
the
is
AB zone. Okay, so we have a
R1
two
is
different
2.07
zone we are
volts.
selecting, right?
Just
So
let
we
it
have
solve.
a
Okay, thank you
AB
for the
zone,
participation.
right?
Your idea is
So
good,
in this
but
AB zone, we
just
have a fault
read
of
it the
F2,
question and
okay,
try to understand.
and
A
that
and
fault
there
that will be
means
sensed by
that
the
A and
relay
B,
R1,
A and B,
okay,
where C
and we
is
are also
open. So C
considering
is open
the
is
BC
not
zone,
these
right,
are connected.
where the fault
Okay.
F1 that will appeared. Okay,
So
so that
we
fault
are
that
already
will be
taking
detected by the R2. Okay,
in
so
this
there
circuit,
must
there
have
is
some the
delta
question
circuit. There
that
is
will
not
arise.
delta delta
So
circuit.
if any such
From
kind
this
of fault that will
questions,
be
actually,
appeared
they are
in this
giving
particular side, in
that
this particular
delta,
source end,
value of the
okay, so
delta
that
in
fault
each
that will be
terminal.
appeared in this
But
directions.
they are given
Okay, and if any such kind of fault that will be
this picture
appeared in
of
this
short
particular
connection.
system, this particular
So
source, so for
say
that
this is
cases,
your
so the fault that will be appeared in these
this is
directions. Okay, so in both the directions we have may have some fault that will be appeared in the feeder
okay,
section.
here is
Okay, so for that cases, what is actually
another
what things we will
connection.
do.
Say
Okay, although we
say
have a connecting, these are
another
also the
connection
different
is
relay we are
here.
connecting
Okay.
over
So
here.
in this
Okay, these are
circuit,
also the relay,
in this
okay, which will be connecting.
starter,
Suppose
but
this will be
there
considered
is
as
a
my
C terminal is open.
R1 dash.
Means when
Okay,
C
so
terminal
this
is
relay will
open,
be
C
considered
terminal
as
is
a
open,
R1 double dash.
then what happens?
Okay, this relay
C
that will
terminal is
considered
open,
as R2
what happens? Current
double
is
dash.
only flowing.
Okay,
You have to
and this will
consider
be considered as R2
current
dash.
is
Okay,
only flowing.
so
Circuit
our
is
main concentration
this
will be
area.
considered in this
There is
particular
no
zone
current
only,
is
where
flowing
the
because
fault
circuit
that
is
will be
open.
located.
Circuit is
Is
open.
there
Circuit
no
is
fault
open.
that will be there?
No current
Okay,
flow
so there will
from
be
here
the
to
no
here.
operation on this particular
No
R1.
from here.
There will be
So
the no
whenever
fault
you
that will
go
be
for
appeared,
the
so there will be the
solution,
no consideration
so
of the
first step you have
R2.
to do
Okay,
here.
so our main
If
concentration
circuit is open,
will be
only
in the
one
in
loop
this
is
particular
from
zone,
here.
that means
Here
AB zone
see,
and
here
the
see,
BC zone. Okay,
only
so
loop
this
or
particular
mesh.
zone of
This
protections
is
we
loop
need to
or
check. Okay,
mesh.
that means
This
this
mesh
particular
is
zone,
only here. This
okay,
is
I
not a
have
mesh because this is open.
highlighted over
This
here.
is not mesh
This
loop
particular
because
zone
this
we
is
have
open
to taken
and this
into
is the open.
consideration,
So only this you
right?
can get only this resistance
This
also
particular zone of
only
protections
not
we
here.
need to
So
check.
this is
Okay,
very
so in
easy.
this particular
So
zone, that
here
means
is
from zone
A
A to
and
from zone
B is
C,
there. A
okay,
and
we
B
have a two
have
different
different
fault that will be appeared, and we have a different relay which will be located in the region A and the
okay.
in the region
Could you get this
BC.
point?
Region AB may we have a
Guys, could you
two
get this point? Look,
two
when
relay that will be
this
connect,
is
and in the
there,
region BC we have another two
this
relay
is
that will be
there.
connected. Okay, so in between these two relay we have a fault.
So
Okay, so what is
A and
actually
B
going on?
is
Okay,
6
so that thing we will
ohm.
discuss. Okay, so although
R
we are
A,
connecting the two
this
source
is
over here, this is the one source and another source,
that is
and
R
this will
B,
be the directional overcurrent relay.
this
That
R
means the
C.
fault that will be appeared either this directions or the fault that will be appeared in this directions. If the system will be there, system may have some fault. Okay, so in which direction that will fault, that will be depends upon what the system behavior or the system performance is. Okay, that particular source means there must have a connection of a generator. Okay, so there must have a connections of a generator. Okay, so in this particular source we may have a generator connections with this. Okay, we have a generator connections. Okay, so in this particular source also supposed to be we have a generator connections. So there must have a, due to some fault, there must have a generator fault, right? So due to that, some of the fault that will be appeared in this directions and some of the fault that will be appeared in this directions, right? And in this particular directions the fault will be appeared this f2. Okay, and in this directions the fault that will be appeared, that will be the f1. So f1 that will be appeared due to this particular system, and f2 that will be appeared for the system due to this particular sources. Okay, so what I have told that, I have told that, so the number one is f1 fault that will be appeared, f1 fault that will be appeared due to the source 1, sorry, due to the source 2. Okay, and f2 fault, okay, so that will be appeared due to the source 1. Okay, so this will be considered as my source 1 and this will be considered as my source 2, right? So this will be considered as source 2. So what is actually going on? So there can be any one situation where in the purpose of the selectivity, depending upon the selectivity of the fault, the relay that will be operated. Okay, so always that will be relative to the reference phasor that will be inside the feeder. Okay, so in such a cases, that means in a radial distribution system with connection of a both sources of the both the end, so consecutively the fault will be feed from both the ends, as I will already told you. Okay, or both the ends of the feeder. So to interrupt the fault current, relay at both the ends of the feeder are required. Okay, so we have to interrupt this fault current. Okay, so fault current को रोकने के लिए, okay, whatever the fault current that will be appeared in this particular zone, to protect this, to interrupt this fault current, that means fault current, there must have a two fault current which will be the IF1 due to the fault F1 and the IF2, so that is due to the fault F2, fault F2. So we have to interrupt these two fault, okay, faulty current. So that is why the relay that will be connected in both end of the feeder that are required. Okay, so we have to connect the relay over here also, we have to connect the relay over here also. So this will be the connection of the relay with the source 1 and this relay that will be connected with the source 2. If any such kind of fault that will be appeared in these directions, so that relay, that this R2 relay that will sense the fault. If any such kind of fault that will be appeared in these directions, so then particular this R1 relay that will be sense this particular fault in these directions onwards. Okay, so we have to interrupt this faulty current which will be the IF1 and IF2. Okay, so we have to connect the relay in both the ends, so that we have, if any such kind of fault that will be appeared in the source 1 and the source 2, for that cases we will identify what the fault is using the relay of R1 and the R2. Okay, so in this case, from the magnitude of the current scenes from the relay R2, okay, so now we have to check what will be the magnitude of the relay, the faulty current of I of F2. Okay, so depending upon the magnitude of the current, okay, so the relay R2 that will sense. Now we have a main concentration of this particular zone, that means the BC zone. So BC zone, the faulty condition that will be appeared due to the system 2. Okay, so due to the system 2, so we have to main concentration is to, we have to consider this particular zone only. Okay, so it will be not been possible to distinguish whether the fault is in the section AB. Okay, so if we are not been connected any such kind of relay, so that will be not been possible to distinguish whether the fault either in the AB section or in the BC section. It may happen that the some of the fault that will be appeared in this section. Okay, some of the fault that will be appeared in this section. So it will be very much impossible to distinguish whether the fault is in a section of AB, whether the
Sorry,
section of AB or
equivalence.
whether the section
No,
of
no, no.
section of BC.
Just
So since
from
fault
this
we are
equation, we
considering
can
in the
find
section
out
of
in
AB.
RARB. So if it
Okay,
RARB
so
equal
supposed to
to
be
6,
if one fault
so
is
just
not the
minus 6
jurisdiction of the
minus RA
fault R1, although it will be
plus
the if one fault
RB.
that will be the
Sorry,
downstream
minus 6.
fault. Okay,
Then
so
also
that fault,
minus
so
6.
already the
So
R2 that will
in
there,
fact,
which will be
and
sense the fault
only
of
RC
F1.
is
Okay,
the
so
RB
R1
minus 6.
relay that will
What is
only
the
sense
mean?
the fault
That is
F2,
4
not the
over 3, 7.
F1. Okay,
Just like
although
this.
this F2 and
That is
F1,
RC equal
F2
to
and
7.
F1 is the
Okay.
downstream fault of R1.
If I
Okay,
put
and
this is
if
R
F1 only,
RB
that will be the downstream
and
fault of
RC
R2,
equals
not
to
the
30 and
F1
so
fault, F2
and
fault.
minus B
F2
and
fault,
C. Look,
that
B
will
and
be,
C
it's
is
the upstream
RB
fault
B
of
and C, that is B and
R2,
C.
that will be not been visible
According to
to
B and C,
R2.
this is
Okay,
11
so
ohm and
although
coming
it
to
will
this
be
R2 is 9 ohm.
sin from the
So
R1,
just
F1
minus
and
it
F2 fault,
RB
but the R2,
plus
due to the
RC
presence of
equal
the
to
R2 fault,
minus
R2
of
relay,
11. So
okay,
just correct.
that there will
So
be
we
the
got
no need
R
of a
equal
R1
to
to
that
detect
is
this fault
2
F1.
ohm.
Okay, so already
Okay.
the according
And
to the
in
plug
similar
setting
way,
multiplier of
just
the R2 will
this
sense this fault of a F1,
RE
because
plus
this
RB
R2
plus
is
RC,
actually
it is
sense the
coming
fault
30.
F1, because this fault
And
F1 is the
I need
downstream
to
fault of a
find out this B.
F2,
So we have to
right?
minus
So suppose
RA and
why
RC.
I
RA and
will
RC is 9 ohm.
put this particular
So
relay. Can
minus
anyone told?
RA
Suppose what will be the
plus
function of
RC.
R1
That
dash
is minus
and
9.
R2, sorry, R2 double dash and R1 double dash? What will be the function of this? Why should I connect
That is
these two
minus
relay?
9
Can anyone
and
told?
this coming, this C and this A is nullified. So
Can
RB
anyone told?
equal to, that is 1, that is 4.
Yes,
So we got RE equal to
Ritesh.
10, RB equal to
Ritesh, are you
4
there?
and
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
R,
so why should I connect the
RC
connect the R1 double dash
RC
and
is
R2
7.
double dash? Although we have to connect the
RC
relay R1 in the
7.
section of AB, and we have
Okay.
to connect the R2
So
fault
this
in the
is the
section of
answer.
BC.
You
So what will be the
can
need of
cross
this
verify
particular
it.
R1 double dash and R2
You
double
can
dash?
cross verify it.
Can you
A
told?
and B, there is a 6 ohm. A and B is RARB. So RARB 2 plus
Tell
4,
me,
it is 6 ohm. A and C, that is 9 ohm. So RA and RC. So RA is 2
Ritesh, tell
and
me.
RC is 7. So this is 9
Yes, sir.
ohm. RB
Any
plus B
idea?
and
I
C,
am
that is
asking any
12.
idea. Do you have any idea
C, RC
why
is
I
7.
should
So
implementing
RC
this two
is
relay?
7 and RB is 4. So this is 11. Okay, from this back process you can
Yes,
complete
Ziaul,
it.
can you
Guys,
told?
any
In
question?
case, sir, if R1 and R2 is not
Could
working,
you understand this
In
from
case R1 and
this
R2 is
problem?
not working, okay,
yes,
Just
means
read
there will
this
be some fault.
example. RC is open, means
okay,
BC is open.
Then
okay, fine.
yes,
I
Don't
will
cross
accept.
this.
Okay, okay. Deepak Yadav. Deepak is there.
This is
Deepak.
the
yes,
thing.
sir.
Very
Okay.
simple,
Yes,
So,
sir.
very easy, but you have to
can you told
cross
me
it.
what will be
Why
your
they told
opinion?
this open one? There is every word has a
Yes, sir.
value.
If
Okay,
R1 will be
so
held
I
to
think
sense the fault,
practice
then
very less. If you
R1
have
dash
any
and
question, you may ask me.
R1 double dash will be then
Otherwise, I
according
am
to the
going
fault
to
where fault are
stop
occur
here.
is
Okay.
upstream or a downstream of the R1 or a R2.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Fine.
thank you
So
very
Sir,
much.
can
actually,
say
yes, yes.
auxiliary relay
Auxiliary what? Auxiliary for what?
is relay R1 and
Relay,
R2.
relay R1. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. I will accept your answer. Okay. So, what is actually happen? Why I should implementing this particular relay R1 double dash and R2 double dash, because we cannot understand during the operation. Okay, during the operation we do not know where the fault will be located, where the fault will be occurred. Okay, so for that cases we have to check which feeder we have some fault will be appeared. Okay, it may happen that some fault that will be appeared in this section. Okay, some fault that will be appeared in this sections. Okay, so for that cases, although there must have an R2 that will be there, R1 and the R2 will be there. So depending upon the behavior of the PSM unit, PSM structure, PSM setting, okay, so that particular zone, it will be not been visible to R1. Okay, so for that cases we need to connect the another a relay R1 double dash. Okay, so supposed to be according to the PSM setting of a R1. Okay, so जहाँ पे मेरा faulty conditions that will appear, it will be not been sensed because it will be the longer duration, longer distance. Okay, so I think there must have some interruption. Okay, so due to power cut, we will disconnect. Okay, so wait for 1 minute. I will share my screen so that you will able to see again. Yes, yes. Now screen is visible. Now screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, okay, fine. So, what I am there actually? What will be the need of this particular R1 double dash and R2 double dash? Okay, so if any such kind of fault that will be occurred beyond the zone of R1, okay, capability of R1. So for that cases, we need to again implementing one relay over here, and we have to implementing the relay over here also. Okay, so because each and every relay have some limitation. Okay, that means have some zone of protections. Okay, we after the zone of protection, after when it will be suppose some of the fault that will be appeared beyond the zone of R1. Okay, so for that cases what we will do, so we have to again implementing another relay, we have to again install one another relay to the feeder. Okay, so that that will sense some type of fault. Okay, so that will be actually one drawback for the directional overcurrent relays also. To overcome this directional overcurrent protection, we have a distance protection which will be comes later on. Okay, in the third type of protection of relay. Okay, that means we have to select that particular zone. That means we have to plug setting of a such type of relay so that it have selecting a long range of protections. Okay, so that if any such kind of fault that will be appeared in a long zone, so that will sense by the relay R1. Okay, so if we are considering the two sources, okay, so it may happen in both the directions there must have some fault. So that is why our main concentration of zone of protections will be in between the AB zone and in between the BC zone. It's maybe happen that in the maybe happen that in the zone of supposed to be this is A dash zone and this is my C dash zone. Okay, it may happen in the zone of a dash, some fault that will appear. It may happen in the c dash zone, some fault that will appear. Okay, so we do not know where the fault that will, we have to detect this particular fault using the relay. Okay, and we have to operate accordingly. Okay, so to obtain the selectivity, okay, so a directional overcurrent relay is required. That means which type of fault that will be appeared in which section of the feeder. That means that is called actually the selectivity. That means we have to select the fault inside the feeder. Okay, for that cases we need a directional overcurrent relay. Directional, this particular directional overcurrent relay, which will be sense either any such kind of fault that will be appeared in this sides of source, okay, or in this sides of source. Okay, if I will considering the single source, so only the single directional fault that will be appeared. So that is why this, that should be a non-directional overcurrent protections. Okay, so this is actually in both the sides we have this particular, all those relay that will be sense the fault. Okay, so that is why it will be called as a directional overcurrent relay that will be required in this particular radial distribution system. Okay, so it used both the magnitude of the current and the phase angle, okay, information for decision making. Okay, so it may happen that relay r2 that will sense the fault f1, or it may happen depending upon the psm settings, the r1 can sense the fault f1. So that will be depends upon what the relay behavior is and what will be the plug setting multiplier of a relay is. That means what will be the hardware implementation that will be implemented in the relay system. Okay, depending upon that, okay, we have considering both the magnitude of the current, that means if1 and the if2, and as well as the phase angle of this particular current, phase angle this. Okay, so this will be the voltage. Okay, and the phase angle between the if2 and the if1 that will be considered. That means we have to we have to use both the magnitude of the current and the phase angle, okay, information for the decision making of a particular relay r1 and r2. And it is very commonly used in the so this particular relay, so what will be the user where we should use this particular directional relay. Okay, it's commonly used in a subtransmission network. Okay, subtransmission network where the ring main distribution are used. Okay, so already in the previous overcurrent protection I will told you some ring main distribution system, right? So either, so this particular normally this directional overcurrent relay that will be used in a subtransmission network where the ring type of distribution unit will be there. Okay, ring main distribution, ring main distribution that will be there. Okay, so do you know what the ring main distribution is? You already taught in the power system 1, power system 2. Ring main distribution, ring main distribution forever. Ritesh?
Yes, sir. More than two generating station like grid.
Yes, yes. Actually, ring main distribution will be supposed to be, if it will be, we are considering more than two, more than one. Okay, more than one source that will be connected. So for that cases, we are using the ring main distribution system. Okay, not the radial distribution system. Okay, so there must have a correction. So we have a not the radial. It's considering the ring main distribution system. Okay, ring main distribution system. So ring main distribution system is supposed to be actually did what we have a supposed to be the number one source, this will be the number two source that will be connected, and this will be the number three source, and supposed to be this will be the number four source. So suppose each and every having a generating stations. Okay, so we are considering the four generating stations over here, and ring main distribution system is actually we have to connect all the system. Okay, with this. Okay, so this is actually called actually the ring main distribution. Okay, so and the radial distribution we have only the single source. Okay, single source which will be connected with the one feeder. So that will be the radial distribution system. Okay, at the single point of source. Okay, and ring main distribution, so suppose why it will be called the ring main distribution, so it will be ring type of structure. That will be source one will be connected with two, Okay, source 2, that means each and every connection, that will be the interconnections. Okay, so that will be considered as a Ringman distribution system. I will come in the Ringman distribution system later on when we will discussing about the sequence component and the fault analysis. Okay, so for that cases I will discuss how the fault that will be detected if I will have a n number of generating station that will be connected with the single feeder. Okay, I will coming during that analysis, fault analysis, we have to discuss the Ringman distribution. Okay, in the future classes. Okay, so in that cases we have to consider the current magnitude and as well as the phase angle for the information of the decision making ki where in which direction the fault will be there. Okay, so that is actually the directional overcurrent protections. Okay, and this such kind of relay that will be used in a subtransmission network which we're having a Ringman distribution system. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, overcurrent protection is only used for radial, and directional overcurrent protection is only used for ringman. Yeah, can I use overcurrent protection in a ringman system?
If you are using the two sources then you can use, अगर एक से ज़्यादा source अगर होगा, okay,
सर,
then
एक से ज्यादा सोर्स होगा तो वो तो फिर मेरा रिंगमैन में
हाँ,
आएगा, रेडियल में।
Ringman distribution होगा. In case of a radial distribution system you can use, but that will depending upon the what the source behavior is, what the system behavior is, what will be the feeder action is, depending upon that we will coming on that particular action. Suppose we are choosing the non-directional overcurrent protection having a two different source. Okay, for that consideration also I am taking in the next classes. Okay, ठीक है, कर सकते हो, but that will depends upon the behavior of a particular source. Okay, and what will be the feeder condition, depending upon that we have considering the either we are choosing the radial distribution or we are choosing the Ringman distribution. Is it
यस सर।
okay? So we are coming on that particular problem also. Okay, so if I will having a two sources, okay, your question is that na, if I am connecting the two sources can I use the overcurrent protection relay for the radial distribution? Your question is like that na?
यस, यस सर।
Okay, we can, but there must have some behavioral aspect depending upon the what type of source that we were connecting. Okay, depending upon that we can do this. Okay, but there must have some restriction, there must have some drawbacks. Okay, so each and every overcurrent protection schemes there must have a drawbacks. Okay, so that is why we have to implementing the another protection schemes that will be the also called as a distance protections. Okay, so in the distance protections also we have is we have connecting a single source having a radial distribution system, and we have to calculating what the fault in the transmission line is. Okay, so we will considering these things in our next classes. Okay, is that clear?
यस सर।
Okay, okay, so I think from 11:30 you have another class of principal sir, so you need to join. So all are requested to leave the session for today.
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
Dr. Chayan,
Doctor
Dr. Chayan.
Moore, Mama.